So this is how you can change the color of your notes on Instagram. Go ahead and open up the app and then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So, as you can see, there is a note text box on top of your profile. Simply tap on that, and now I'm going to give you a list of words that you can use in order to change the color of your note. So the very first color that we have is the demure color. Now this is going to make your notes a bit light pink or a peach color. Now on to the next one, which is just a kiss emoji. Now this is going to make your note light blue and have a kiss on the top left of it. I'm not sure if this is going to work for everyone, by the way. For me, it doesn't work, maybe because my phone is outdated, so make sure to try every single one that I give you. And now let's go ahead and move on to the gold ones. These keywords will give you gold notes if you type them in your note. This is because of the Olympics and the gold medals, so that's why it's going to turn your notes gold. Now on to the last one, which is just the party emoji. If you type that and then press on share, as you can see, there are particles all over. Now if you tap on it again, it's going to show the particles again. So that's pretty much it for the notes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.